Welcome, Bitmonger family. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at the markets, a quick update on Bitcoin, and indicators I'm going to be looking at going forward into this week, since it's likely going to be volatile, or maybe it won't be. We'll see. All right, everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and monger on. Okay, so today I'm going to be looking at indicators on how to trade the unfortunate news that's happening in the Middle East and the uncertainty that's going on there. As I mentioned yesterday, I'm looking at crude oil right now. This is the continuous contract on crude oil. We can see it's up slightly on the day. It's up 0.5%, and on the year, it is down 9%. On the 5-year, we can see that it did reach a high of roughly about 120, and it's currently trading at 74. This is something I'll be keeping an eye on as uh, things progress in the Middle East. So far, the markets are taking it quite well. Uh, you would usually expect gold to rip in times of uncertainty, and it has not. We're looking at the futures contracts in the United States, and they're all in the green. We look at Asia's performance today, and it's not bad. It's down 0.5%. China markets were up, and we're looking at Europe. And Europe is mostly red, but it's only down very small percent, not even 0.5%. So the markets are looking pretty good. The other thing I'm going to be looking at is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently trading at $101,467, $475, and it has held up extremely well. Yesterday, we did get a slight sell-off with the scare of the news, and it came down, and you can see it actually came down and touched my first little nibble order here, right around 98.3. So that was that area of interest that I noted yesterday. If it goes down further, other areas of interest where heavy buying will likely come in would be between 95 and 96,000. I would expect some very deep pockets to be buying if it gets down into this region. If that happens to fail, the next level is going to be between 92 and 93,000. If that one fails, then the next point is at 88.3. If we look on the uptrending trend line of Bitcoin, we can see it's coming right here, and it is right around, it's getting close to 80,000, call it $78,000, $79,000 if it were to jump all the way down, which I don't believe it will. So that's looking really good. Bitcoin is managing this quite well. We'll see what happens come Monday morning in New York, and when the markets open up, and how if there's any kind of sell-off. Right now, based on the futures market, it's looking like it's not. So pretty positive there. And the other coin that I mentioned yesterday is Solana, the layer one, which I mentioned that I have my eye on. I think it's got undervalued. We can see here it came down and it hit this level right here. There's a key point. This wick down, and it touched right around 126,000, 127,000, which was a previous area of resistance. We can see right there going across here, this has been a heavy level. The next big level, though, in which if you wanted to buy it at a discount, would be right around 120 to 121,000 is the level that I would be looking to nibble at. If it goes up, if we follow the upward trend line, what does that come out to right now? It's coming out to right about 120, a little under 100. No, actually, it's hitting in like right around 110K. So if it were to fall all the way down to the trend line, 110 would be another good place to be picking it up at. All right, folks, that's my analysis today of the markets and what I'm going to be looking at. And wish you all a great day, and monger on.